Hello, how are you? Fine? No one is absolutely fine in this world. Only few people. Now, try to recall what I have taught you. Develop your listening skill. The most important thing. Develop your listening skill. And second, you need to develop the knowledge, the wisdom within yourself. Remember, keep in mind, Nelson Mandela, you must be knowing. Yeah, a great leader. What he said, education is the most powerful weapon in this world. Yeah, by education you can change this world. But remember, many people they don't want the change in this world. Okay, so try to see here. One thing you need to develop is listening skill. Yes, you need to develop your skill so that you can have good education. Very important. So from which country you are? Oh, and you? There are other also. Let me ask you. Very good. And you? Very good. So try to see here now. From different countries, people they are watching me. Students are watching me. Okay, so some are from poor nation, some are from rich nation. Okay, so now here what you have to do all. Okay, so those who are good one, okay, their responsibility is to take care of this earth. Okay, so all the good intelligent they need to take care of the mother earth. Yeah, there are a lot of challenge in front of you. Yeah, I understand that. Okay, so here now what you are going to see, that there are good well educated human being, but also there are notorious not well educated human being, and there is a competition in between them. Who is going to win? Sometimes the good they are going to win, sometimes the bad they are going to win. So here you see, the first most important thing is that you need to develop listening skill. You need to develop other skill so that you can understand what is right, what is wrong. Very important. No, I have told you clear. Sometimes the good ones they are going to win, sometimes the bad ones they are going to win. There are competition. Okay, don't worry. Remember, keep in mind, education is the most powerful weapon. Hmm. But try to see here, some people they want to disrupt this process. I will explain. Okay, so hopefully you must have watched my video, how to be the wealthiest person, the richest one in this world. Do you remember? Yeah, but there is also some forces, they will not let this happen. Remember that one also point. It is not that you are going to read some book and you are going to follow all those steps and you will become the richest. You will become, you will achieve your goal. Okay, so lot of competition is there. So here you need to develop other things also. And today I'm just going to share with you the schedule, okay, which is being followed by one of the, you can say, the topper student. Yes, many students only they follow this routine. Okay, so here try to see. Uh, if you are going to see that edge, you need what? Healthy diet, balanced diet. Same way, you need to develop balanced routine. Balanced routine. No, 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 no. Try to see here. Remember, if you are going to take any competition, try to see nowadays in the world, the competition exam, okay, they are based on brain. And here, if you are going to see in these exams, you can pass, you can succeed if you are going to use right strategy. Your planning, how you are going to prepare, okay, it must be good. Yeah, on internet, what you are going to see, you are going to see many people, they are going to give advice, do work hard continuously for these number of hours, 17 hours, 18 hours. No, I don't think that is going to work actually. So let's have discussion. Okay, try to see here. If you see this guy, okay, he, what he said, that he used to start the focus education at 9 a.m. Okay, then 9 to, let's suppose, 12. Okay, he is going to read things with a focused mind. Okay, after that, lunchtime, and you know very well, after having lunch, you feel sleepy. Okay, and let's suppose you are feeling sleepy and you are going to read, and what will happen? Yes. So in that situation, try to see things, they will not go perfectly in your mind. So here he used to take rest. Very important. I always say, okay, do your study, take rest. Okay, do your study as long you can do, then take rest. Then again, what he used to, he used to again have the study. In the evening time, he used to play, and at the night, he used to revise. So here, keep in mind that if you are going to see, this is game of memory. This is game of memory. Your brain, okay, within your brain, you have to make good connections between the neurons. Okay, try to see. You need to learn some facts, and you need to retain all those facts for a longer duration. Okay, so here, one thing I want to say, that study as per your energy, not as per your timetable. Don't force yourself with a strict timetable. Okay, that is not the perfect way, which I believe. Try to see here, when you are full of energy, and you know what is the energy level in your body, only you can feel. Okay, try to see. Okay, so at present moment, what energy you are feeling, you know. Okay, and let's suppose if you are not having good energy, then if you are going to read, if you are tired, if you are going to read, what is going to happen? Yes, your mind will wander, thoughts will keep coming. Okay, negative thoughts most of the times when you are lacking energy in your body. So hopefully you are getting me. So here you have to have a balanced routine, and in that balanced routine, what I will say, I will suggest you that focus on your energy. And remember, we are human being, we are not robot. Okay, focus on your energy, and keep in mind, sometimes in the day your energy is high, sometimes it is low, high, low. I will say, when the energy is high in your body, use that time for the purpose of education, for reading. But when the energy is low, take rest, do other things so that you can recover. Okay, so hopefully you are getting that. Do your study as per your energy. Another important thing, very important, try to have time for revision. It will be very good if you are going to revise things just before the sleep. At least try to revise. Okay, so when you are going to revise, okay, just try to feed that information in your subconscious mind. Close your eyes, okay, and try to feed that information in your subconscious mind. Okay, you have to learn. Okay, as like we pray to Lord, same way. Okay, just close your eyes and try to feed as much information you can feed. Try to recall, okay, the information. Okay, so once you are going to do your education in that way, okay, you will feel the change. You will feel definitely, and hopefully you are going to enjoy that. You are learning in a better way. No, 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 that is not going to work. If you are going to put yourself in a stressful condition, remember, okay, this brain is going to work perfectly when your mind is calm. Okay, so take control of your breath. I will say always take deep breath. Okay, just try to reduce your breathing. Okay, always try to have breathing approximately 10, 8 per minute. Try to have deep breathing. This is also going to calm your mind. Yes, if you can do other things like this guy, he used to play piano, used to play some video games. Okay, yes, you can watch any music which you like. That is to calm your mind. Don't take that, that is going to waste your time. Okay, that is also needed. Remember, we are human beings. Okay, so here your daily routine, it should be like that, that other things which you are doing, they are also preparing you for education. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so here just think yourself what best way you can prepare yourself for the examination. You need to develop the right strategy. You have to think what is the best time for you. Okay, no, 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 I don't think that you have to completely cut off yourself from family members. Okay, try to feel your heart. Okay, and here you, I will say that if your mind inside it is not heavy, okay, if you are feeling light, okay, and then you are going to prepare. Okay, that is the best way. So hopefully you are getting me.